Oh yeah, bit more windy here. Looks like I'm going more into the wind um, than normal. So maybe I'll try this one. See how it goes. See what happens. See if I can cut out the wind noise. Got to be careful around here because there's normally gravel in the middle of these driveways and that, especially after rain. I can hear a fair bit of wind, so might be a better one than the first one I did to give it a go. Nice corner, this one. My favourite corner. So we'll go with this one on Alexander Drive, see how it goes.